In this segment, we will discuss internal linking semantics, what the rules are, and how internal links should be applied. You must match the anchor text with the targeted title. Now, let's say we are giving an internal link to a page. The main word in that page's title should be our anchor text. For example, if the page we are linking to has the title Sleep Efficiency, then our anchor text should be Sleep Efficiency. Therefore, the anchor text must match, and the context, the surrounding content, should also relate to that anchor text between the source and target. The links should be placed in your main macro sections where your primary topics are discussed. Relevant and necessary anchor text should be used. Try not to stuff them. The footer and header should only contain a few necessary links. Do not add too many links in these areas. The reality is that when we use the same header and footer for every page, the crawlers sometimes blacklist this practice. You could say they write an instruction that tells them to basically ignore all the links that appear in the header and footer. For this reason, try to create a specific header and footer for every page. This approach supports additional technical recommendations. The 15 links concept is not a hard rule. The goal is to have as many relevant and contextual links as possible. First, you look at industry standards to see what the minimum and maximum numbers are. Check the standard results. After that, you need to calculate the total links, including sidebar links. Next is the number of named entities, links per heading. Try to keep a maximum of 1 link per heading, not minimum, but maximum. This is because we have to structure our content using headings. Afterward, link the entities to the destination page. What is the opinion regarding the technical semantics of SEO? Internal and external links are not equal. Their value changes based on their position, where they are placed, their type, their style, and their font weight. All these things matter. Efficiency is key for important pages. Pages that are mentioned on the home page, which serves as the hub, are very important. Because of this, site redesigns and internal links are crucial. What is the expert opinion on this? According to John Mueller and other sources, most links provide additional context through their anchor text. Matt Cutts suggests that if you believe some pages on your website are important, they should not require a crawl depth of more than 15 links, meaning the search bot should reach those pages within 15 clicks or to another page related by context and surrounding words. The page being linked now also has an address, and the location of that address, perhaps afterward, the pages that are close to it are considered more important, and the internal link signal itself signals importance to pages that have more internal links pointing towards them. The importance is established for those that receive many internal links. Anchor text provides context. Significant weight is transferred. Anchor text provides context. It provides contextual power to the web page. Then there is page rank transmission. This is based on position, type, and font. It is also based on a UX-friendly site structure. Clear internal pages signal authority and improve internal linking. We must ensure the efficiency of internal links tracking. Using the approach of Core Web Vitals, you can bypass generic and boilerplate internal links, meaning those in the header and footer, and prioritize relevance. Internal links are placed according to the hierarchy of the content structure. For instance, if a link appears under an H1 heading, it is considered more important than one that appears under an H4 heading. If most of your internal links are not directing traffic to other pages, meaning clicks are not happening, this data is extracted through Google's systems. You should investigate this using indexing data. If a page receives a link but does not receive traffic accordingly, there's a chance that page will be demoted in the ranking process. This updates the dwell time on the linked pages and user behavior. These are not the only factors. The behavior of users who open those links is also very important. Additionally, we know that links on pages where people actually click and visit are highly noted by Google, much more than links that users ignore. The links that users actually click on receive greater weight. In the main section, the most important anchor text is linked to the root article.